Hello from Volkswagen Oldham. Here we have the colossal Sharan SEL 2.0 TDI at 177PS in Indium Grey metallic, and it's also fitted with alloy wheels. As we come into the back door, and we open up like so, the car will open it automatically for you. You can see they have the row of the middle seat, enough to fit 3 people inside. And then as we come around to the back, all you have to do is press the button underneath the Volkswagen logo and just above the reg plate, like so. And you can see that we have the spacious boot size that is ideal for travel, as you can fit tons of suitcases in the back. And then the car also comes with 2 extra seats in the back. All you do is simply just pull up this slip like so, and you have the access to both seats. You can just pull them up. This car comes with 2 keys and a leather case with the owner's manual inside. And then as we come into the car, you can see that we have the multifunctioning steering wheel that you can use to control your media and your dashboard display. And on the right, we have the switch for the automatic headlights. And then just to the right of that, we have the central locking on the driver's side door. And then just below on the handle, we have the electric wing mirrors controls. Turn the engine on, you can see that the car comes to life by lighting up right before your very eyes. And if we come to the right side of the steering wheel, you can see that this is the button that changes the interface. You have sign assist, the lane assist, audio, navigation, and phone. As we come into the middle of the car, you'll see we have the touchscreen display where you can access all the features such as radio, media, telephone, navigation, traffic, app connect, Volkswagen media control, CarNet, images, sound, and the settings features. As we go into the navigation tab, you can see that we have the ability to keep the adventures endless, as you'll never be lost. Going into App Connect, you can see we have features such as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and the mirror link, allowing you to display your phone directly through the car as you drive. Car also comes with heated seats. Simply push this button to activate, then press again to decrease the intensity of the heat, and keep going until the light disappears to turn it off completely, and the same again on the other side. Pressing this button right here will enable Park Pilot system. You have the front and back sensors, allowing you to move it with confidence. However, if we pop the car into reverse like so, you'll see that the car automatically displays this on the screen for you. You access the fantastic panoramic sunroof. Simply push this button here and this will lift up the blinds for you. And then twisting this here will open up the window for you, which is perfect for summer drives and letting cool air into the car as you drive. And then all you do to close it, you just simply twist it back and the car will close it for you. Thanks for watching. This has been the spacious Volkswagen Sharan SEL. If you have any further questions or want to come and have a look at the car for yourself, please give us a call on 0161 413 5117. We'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle.